What's up, y'all? Just wanted to pop in and do a quick video on this Strike Industries. This is a +6 base plate, so let's check it out. It only works on Glock 17 mags, so Californians, if you don't have Freedom Week mags, can't use this. But pretty cool, pretty cool. Kind of connects back here, you see, keeps it on. But this is, like I said, if you put it on, you could put it on your Glock 22 15 round magazine and it'll be a +5, so that'd be 20 +1. Or you could put it on your Glock 17 mag and it'll be a +6, so 23. So yeah, and just so y'all know, you can't turn a large capacity magazine into a larger capacity magazine. Once it's a large capacity magazine, it's a large capacity magazine. And these don't fit on 10 rounders, not even, it doesn't fit on this, from what they say. It doesn't work. So even your Glock 26, it's 10, you can't make the 10 to more than 10. The 17 is already more than 10, so that doesn't matter. But I'm also not a lawyer, and this is also not legal advice. So whatever you do, I hope you can sleep at night. I will not testify on your behalf or against you. So until next time, stay safe, train hard, and shoot straight, bitches.